Hi, today I'm going to use my wood lathe to make a bowl. I'm using a Ambrosia maple wood. This piece right here. I've already rounded it with my compound miter saw. I didn't have a band saw yet, so I've got it rounded pretty good. I'm going to mount it, center this piece for the lathe, and get it mounted on the lathe and get started. Can you see? Okay, I've got the piece rounded, and now I'm starting on the inside of the bowl, and I'm going to get a good bit of that done, and then I'll come back and do some more on the bowl, get that rounded on the bottom more and smoothed out as much as possible with the blades, and then do it with sandpaper. But excuse me. So I'm going to keep going here and using this tool here, and just keep taking a little bit at a time, and then once I get it to the depth I want, then I'll come back and smooth it and contour it more like a slope on a bowl. Alright, so I'm going to get okay, so I'm going to get going again, and I'll show you a little bit of the process from here. So let me back the camera up. It's going to be noisy, but I'll cut the sound of this thing out once I get the video edited. Also, as you get this going, once I get the depth, I'll take the blade and turn it more inside, because you want the blade as close to the wood as possible. Makes it a lot more steady when you're holding this when the wood's really close. You start getting like this, you get more vibration in the blade and everything. You can hear the difference. Get much more smooth. You got a lot more control and less vibration. Alright, I'll be back in a little bit. Okay, you can see I'm getting the bowl down to a depth. So I've still got probably about an inch to go, because I'm going to leave probably half an inch on the bottom. Excuse me. I'm going to make this a much more steeper cut, so I'm going to keep going down. So probably going to take off, I'm not going to have it quite straight down, but it's going to be a lot steeper. Alright, anyway, going to keep doing that and show you what that does. Alright. Okay, I'm getting almost done. This is going to be for my neighbor, so I just went and showed it to her to see if she liked, the pattern so far, how I did the little bit of a contour here and the depth she likes and everything. So I'm going to smooth it out, get rid of some of these, well, get it as smooth as I can, and then sand the rest of it. And then I have to flip it over and just do the bottom, and just to get rid of the roughness, and wax it, and it'll be done. Alright. Okay, I've sanded it, and I even did a little oil on it just to show what it's going to kind of look like. I got to go get some coarser sandpaper to get it really smooth, but it's pretty good right now. You can see, the contour. I mean, that's because she likes that. You can grip it, so it doesn't feel like it's going to fall out of your hands. But that is pretty much finished. Just got to sand it a little more and then put the oil back on it. She's just going to use it for like the fake fruit type bowl. Anyway. Alright, so that's my first bowl. I know it's not going to be a great video. I kind of just showed, kind of not even step by step, but just kind of beginning, middle, end Hopefully as I go, I'll do better videos as I feel more confident in what I'm doing. Anyway, thanks for watching. If you have any comments or questions or definitely advice, please comment below. And don't forget to hit that subscribe button. Thanks for watching.